Hello everyone. Welcome today another hot sweaty day. Yeah, we are in a heat wave. Today in the daily newspaper on August 8th, 2020. We have here one regular medium Sudoku and also a regular quintuplet Sudoku. There's also an additional with extra Sudokus, I believe 6 Sudokus, so there are a lot of Sudokus to solve. And I hate it in this kind of weather. Too hot to play Sudokus or to solve Sudokus. Anyway, I need to catch up, otherwise I have too many Sudokus left to solve. So before I start, this will be number 1308. Yes, 1308. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers so I can compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars in the additional. The 1 star has 27 printed numbers, 2 stars 26, 3 stars 25, and 4 stars 24. So I want to know what kind of medium Sudoku this is. We have 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 5 is 14, plus 4 is 18, plus 2 is 20, 23, 24, plus 3 is 27. So it's a 1 star Sudoku. Yes. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see. Which number shall I pick? How about this big square? 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers are 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square. The number 7 and the 6 are missing. We see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright, and now let me see which number. How about the 9 in the 3rd column, the 9 in the 2nd column? So in the 1st column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And then Well. How about 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. We focus this. Alright. So we have a 3 in the 1st row, 3 in the 3rd row. So in the 2nd row, the row between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, the 1st column, 3 in the 2nd column. So in the 3rd column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here also 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. and all the 3's are used. I can see. First digit. All right. 5 and 8. All right. How about yeah, I'm thinking. 4 in this row, the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 4. How about these 2 numbers are left in the first column? Those numbers are the 2 and the 1. No, I cannot fill this yet. 2 and a 1. How about these 2 numbers? The other 2 numbers are the 5, 2 and 1, 5 and the 8. 5 and the 8. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this column. Third column should be the number 1. These 2 numbers in this big square, the 8 and the 5. 8 and the 5, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about we have a pair, 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. The same story with the 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here and there, together with the 9. So we have a 9 and a 1, 9 and a 1. I mark this for you so you can follow it easier. Alright, so we have a 4 in this column, a 4 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here also a 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4's are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 2. Alright. How about in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here 7, no 7 in that box. So the 7 could be here or could be there. So in the last column, we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes. In the column next, we have a 7 over there. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. And look, we have a 7 here, so no 7 here. 7 should be there. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 there. Here also a 7, so no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 7. Yeah. 2 also there. 2 also there. How about this big square? 1 and a 9, 5 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 in these two boxes. One box left for the 5 should be here. The 2 and the 3, no, 3 we have. The 2 and the 6 are missing. 2 and the 6, we have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 boxes left in the first row for the 2 and the 7. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 3. 8. Yeah. 1 box left in the last row for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 6, I believe. Yes. These 2 numbers, the 2 and the 8 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 2 and 8. How about the 5 in this row, the first row, 5 in the third row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. And we have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 4. Then 2, 8 and 6, 6, 6. All right. How about these 2 numbers in this row? The 2 missing numbers are the 6 and the 9. 6 and the 9. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. The 9 goes there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 2 and the 1. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in the middle column should be the number 8. Then 8 in this row, 8 in the third row, so the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 2. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this last column for the number 1. 1 number left in this middle row for the number 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this, 2 numbers, 9 and the 1. The 9 and the 1 are missing in this column. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 9. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 2 goes there. Yes, finish in 40 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, subscribe and hit the bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you. I will see you later with the quintuplet for the quintuplet lovers. I hate it, but all the puzzles longer than an hour I hate. So I do it only for you. Well, take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later. Bye bye for now.